guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What's good? Espero que estén bien. So in today's video, we will be installing this unit. Okay, it is from CYNOSUREHAIR company, and your girl is feeling herself. I love the hair quality, the unit itself, just overall everything. A1, chef's kiss. Okay, so if you want to see how I installed this unit and how I got it to look so flawless, stay tuned, keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, you already know what to do, baby. Ya saben que lo que hay que hacer. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn your bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get to it. Let's get into this video. So today's hair is brought to you by CYNOSUREHAIR. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's spelled C-Y-N-O-S-U-R-E. So Cynosure, I don't know, I think so. So it came in this bag. The bag just came in like a FedEx plastic bag. So inside of the bag, I'm gonna tell you guys everything that came inside. So we have the plastic bag that the hair came in. Then we have the hair, obviously. I will get to the specs of the hair in a little bit. Then we have some lashes. We have wig cap. And then we have this little bag which has a headband and some adjustable straps that you can clip onto the wig. If you need the wig to be tighter or anything like that, they send you these little things that you can sew onto the wig. I bleached the knots and I still need to pluck it and whatnot, but they did send me a 24-inch Peruvian hair. This is a body wave wig. As per usual, your girl managed to over bleach the knots a tad bit, but we're gonna fix that. It's all right. I haven't tried the wig on. I have no idea what it looks like on my head, but the hair feels super silky and super like smooth and nice. Like, I'm really excited to put this on my head. The knots, I did have to bleach them twice because I do believe, don't quote me on this, but I do believe that this wig is double knotted, because the first time I bleached it, bleached the knots, I left it on for quite a while and I still had to go back in and bleach it again. So that basically means that the knots are a little bit thicker, and some wigs do require you to bleach the knots twice. So I was like, okay, whatever. So my hair is already like braided, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on and get to installing this wig. I don't think I'm going to be doing the ball cap method today. I'm not really feeling the ball cap method, so I'm just going to take my foundation and I'm going to use the OFRA Absolute Coverage Foundation in 775. This is not my exact match, it's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I just feel like I want to use this color today. I don't know why. So I took a little bit on the brush and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the inside of the lace. You guys already know how I go about this. So I put foundation on the inside of my lace, and I forgot to tell you guys, it comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the center, and then 1 in the back. So that's basically the construction of the wig. And as per usual, it comes with adjustable straps already built onto the wig as well. The wig seems to fit nicely, snug. I feel like it might be, I don't know, maybe it's a tad bit, I don't know if it's too small. Anyways, it does come pre-plucked. As you guys can see right here, you do have a pretty much so pre-plucked hairline. You can definitely get away with just applying the wig like this, and you'll have a really nice hairline. You know, as long as you bleach the knots as you're supposed to, you don't necessarily have to pluck this wig at all. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead, put some foundation on the cap, and also pluck the wig a little bit in the front and in the center, like this middle part right here. I'm just gonna speed that process up because I don't really have a specific technique as of right now on how I do that. I just kind of pluck where I see fit. So So as you guys saw, I just cut these little pieces. I'm going to start by laying this part of the wig, and I also hot comb the hair back. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit because I feel like you can't see the top way better. Okay, so now you can actually see. So I'm just going to glue, you know, this. I'm going to start with this piece right here. I don't know if I want to use glue or if I want to use hairspray. I believe I want to use glue. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just fold this back. We're taking a little bit of cotton, a little bit of alcohol on the cotton. I'm just going to wipe my forehead clean before I apply any products, any glue or anything like that. And I'm just going to take my lace glue and on my little popsicle stick, and I'm just going to start here. I'm going to do 2 layers of glue today. I don't want to do too many layers just because I'm not going to be wearing this wig for that long. So I just don't need that extra hold or anything like that. So I glued down the front part. We're going to be gluing the sides of the hair. And I want to start with this side. So I'm just going to put glue right here. As you guys can see, what I did, I just hot combed the hair a little bit, and then I also put my elastic band just to lay the wig properly. I'm not gonna leave the elastic band on for too long because I want to take it off, cut the lace, and then put it back on again to like fully lay it down, and just to see if I need to glue anywhere else, you know. So I'm just gonna take the hair, put it up. So let's remove it and see what it's giving and what is not. Okay, so this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. This looks very nice. I know I have to glue the front a little bit more, and maybe I still need to glue like my sideburns and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna do that towards the end, like after I cut the lace. I'm gonna take my little eyebrow razor, and I'm going to start by cutting the lace on this side. As you can see, this lace right here is still pretty much so like lifting and kind of like loose, which is why I wanted to remove the elastic band so I could see these little, you know, lifting areas, and then re-glue them and then put the elastic band back on. So I obviously need to go back and re-glue some of the areas. There's a little bit of lifting right here. There's a little bit of lifting like all over the lace, really. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take my glue again on my stick, and I'm just going to apply glue to those areas that are lifting. This is what it looks like without baby hairs after I glued everything down. As you guys can see, again, because I've explained this previously in other videos, with laces, when you don't tint the lace, I am only using makeup, you still have that little white cast because it is transparent lace. So it still have like a white cast because I am a melanated person. So it looks really nice. I like how it looks, and as you guys saw, I didn't really pluck the wig at all. I just plucked the parting a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to tie up my hair. I'm clip up my hair and then tie down my lace for it to properly melt for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to apply this. What I'm going to do now is just going to go ahead and style the hair, and then you know, just see what style I want to go for today. But I might cut some layers, but I'm going to cut some layers later on because I'm going to curl the hair. So when I curl my hair, I like to cut it when the curls are already in, so y'all can just see how the curls kind of fall, you know. So just dividing the hair in 2 sections. I'm just going to like section a piece from the back. I kind of want big curls. This piece is low-key kind of small, but let's just curl it and see how I feel about it. Okay, so this is what the curl kind of looks like as of right now. I feel like it's kind of too small. I think this one is ideal. That's like double the size of this one. So I just take the comb, I comb through the hair. Okay, so we made it to the front of the hair and my camera is dying. But I'm just going to curl these inwards. Normally I will curl them out, but I'm gonna curl them in just to see how that could possibly, like, you know, look, how that will frame my face a little bit. So, or do I normally curl it like this? I don't know. Now I don't know. Maybe I do always curl it like this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna remove the elastic band, and then we're going to be fixing my part and hot combing the hair. Baby. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, okay? I understood the assignment. Aha. First, I'm just gonna hairspray lightly, not too much, up top, because you don't want the hair to get like hard and stuff like that. And then I'm just gonna, ooh, and then, ooh, wait, this one to the wrong side, ooh. And then, ooh, and then the back. Oh my God, I look so pretty! I look so pretty, I love it. And I haven't even combed out the curls yet. When I comb out these curls though, baby. Now, to finish off the lace work, before I comb out my curls or anything like that, we are going to take some concealer. Any concealer that you have available, or any concealer that you use, and we're going to conceal the parting just because it is too red. As you guys know, I said I ran out of toner, so ooh, now the parting is too big. We're gonna go in with the black eyeshadow and just fix that. So I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and I'm just going close to the part that I made. You see how I made that smaller like instantly? Okay, so this is basically what the hair looks like. Again, I haven't combed out the curls. I am going to do that now with my fingers. I just don't know if I want to do my makeup first and then comb them out, or if I want to just comb them out right now and then do my makeup. Yeah, all the hair is in the front, and I'm just gonna take my fingers, I'm just gonna run my fingers through the hair, and just as I said, remember I said I just want loose curls, like waves, kind of like that body texture, that natural body texture of the hair. That's literally what I was going for, and that is literally what I got. If you want the curls to hold a little bit more, I would probably recommend to do tighter curls, like smaller sections, and also to put some type of holding spray or something like that to hold the curls a little bit. I want them to fall just like this. So I understood the assignment. Okay, period. But this is it. This is the hair. This is the style. I love it here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be back to finish off the video to tell you guys all about the hair, like my personal opinions about the hair, and you know, shedding and stuff like that. I'll be telling you guys that at the end of the video. So let me go ahead, do my makeup, and then I'll be right back. So I did my makeup. I'm back. I did my makeup, and I am so feeling myself. I am so feeling myself 100%. You guys have no idea, okay? This is the final look of the hair. I want to tell you guys a little bit about like my final thoughts and opinions on the hair, the brand, overall everything. I feel like the brand communication was A1. It was super simple and easy for me to work with them, get my hair, everything, shipping, tracking, everything. The hair did not shed at all. I've combed my hair. I've run my fingers through my hair a lot today after I curled it. The curls are holding up pretty great to me, in my opinion. If I would have put some hairspray on them, they would have probably still been intact. But I wanted them to fall just like this, so I'm not complaining, okay, at all. I love the hair texture. I love how smooth it is, how like nice it is. I don't know, like I'm in love with this unit. I love the lace. It wasn't hard to work with. The fact that I didn't even pluck this wig and it still looks this good. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description box down below. I will have all the links to this hair and everything, also a discount code, so in case you guys are interested, you can go shop, you know, save some coins or whatever. Shout out again to CYNOSUREHAIR for sponsoring today's video and wanting to partner with me. I am in love with this unit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys. Bye.